Today I'll be showing you how to update your iPhone to the iOS 16 developer beta. And I'll be using my iPhone XS Max for the demonstration, and please ensure your iPhone is supported for the iOS 16 betas. So the first thing is to download the iOS 16 beta profile. For that, open Safari and search for iOS 16 beta profiles. Now click on the iOS 16 icon that is on the left side and click on Install Profile. You can either download the profile or the IPSW file so that you can directly update it from your computer. Make sure you read all the warnings and click on Install. Press Allow and open Settings. In Settings, now you can see the pop-up showing that the profile is downloaded. By tapping on it, you can see the profile and click on Install. Now you will be asked to enter your passcode. Please make sure you enter the passcode and read all the consent forms. And click on Install. And it's better to restart now to avoid any future problems. Once you have restarted the phone and opening the settings, going to the General tab and Software Update, you can see the new iOS 16 update. Once you can see the update, once it completes downloading, press on the Install Now button below. Now you can unlock your phone and go to the settings. In General tab, you can see that we have successfully updated to the iOS 16.